Peace, love, and blessings, Hunter Chillin'. How Hunter Chillin' be? This shit the Queen Quet, head from the body, the Gullah Geechee Nation. Oh, guess what I did this shit time, Hunter Chillin'? We did the South Carolina reading. And guess what? I, the parade marshal this year, yeah! And I wanted Hunter Chillin' for joining me right here on Gullah Geechee TV so you can yeddi this year. And then Chillin' yeddi me, do my book, Goody, Goody, Goody. So Hunter Chillin', come on and look what's going on at the South Carolina reading. This year the Queen Quet.
Today, we're here to celebrate something truly magical, the power of reading and the magic of libraries. Your enthusiasm for reading and learning is what makes this event so special. We're honored to have with us our Grand Marshal Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. All right, our last story day is our special one by our Grand Marshal of our parade today. We have Goody, Goody by Queen Quet.
Morning, Hunter Chillin'. How Hunter Chillin' to do? Boy, that's even trifling there. Come on, y'all. How Hunter Chillin' to do today? Okay. I will make sure I can yeddi Hunter Chillin', because y'all going to have to help me. Y'all yeddi this shit if I can crack my teeth over this shit. That's Gullah. Can you say Gullah? Can you say Geechee? Geechee. So Goody, Goody, Goody is Gullah Geechee. So Hunter Chillin' gonna have to join me for helping read the book, okay? Okay, so I will teach y'all this song. So every time I point you, I gonna need y'all to do that part. Y'all can do that? Okay, now learn them first. Yeddi this shit. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. You got them? Okay, now we try. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. One day brown rooster far from home, been the straw like he been all alone. Out the bush come this sly fox, mixing up this sand and the rock, saying goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. One fox grabbed a rooster and started to fight. The rooster said, let go of me and stop and take flight. But fox tried to get him to fly all around, so the rooster get tired and fall to the ground. Say goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. But the rooster said, well, fox, don't bother me. One fox said, bother me, so come on that tree. The rooster have to take and pull back, or this your head would be black. But the rooster tell my fox, say, I just said chicken is skin. And go get the other chicken in the hole to see. What hole? That one that get in the tree? But fox ain't no say the rooster been slick. In the hole the dog dish up a trick. Say goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. But fox be greedy so it don't go around. But in the hole and see sister hound. But rooster said, why ain't you the back catch a chicken off guard and he won't attack? Sing goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. But fox ain't catch on yet. My belly go full like that. But fox jump right on in. Not a chicken there for be seen. All them hound wake up from his sleep. Y'all don't hear. They jump on the box and bite hard as they could. They full up their belly singing goody, goody, good. Say goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Goody, 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 good. Good job, everybody. So, I'm Chieftess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. When I was your age, I loved being able to travel anywhere in the world through the library because I would check out books every day and I would read an entire book every day. And then I grew up to be able to write books about my culture, my history, my legacy. And so you all can continue to do that. And guess what? I've now been blessed to travel to all 50 states and every continent of the world except 2. And one of them is melting really fast, so I'm hoping to get there before it melts away. And we have one more I'm going to next year. So the same way I used to think about going, I got there. So if you can see it with what we call your third eye in your mind, and you talk about it, and you say it out loud, you can have that kind of life, and you don't have to just become shelved, but you can get out here and share. Isn't that good?